Hi guys, like and subscribe. We are at Jasper right now, and also you guys, you know what they said before I recorded this? They said don't talk, just be quiet, okay? That's what they said. That's what they said. They didn't want this channel to be theirs. What I recommend is the Banana Mama barber shop, and we're about to enter a convenience store, I think it's here's Circle K. The box is the convenience store I was talking about.
Oh, okay.
This is the ramen I got.
When you were younger, you didn't see things quite the same as you do now. But now you're older, you find that sometimes you wish you had stayed a clown, never ever knowing whether you're coming or going. And right now that sounds like Ray's idea. But hey, let's not get down about being a clown or running away from town, because you eat so well and your friends can tell when that pastry's oh so brown, never ever knowing whether you're coming or going. And right now that sounds like Ray's idea.
Good morning everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. Nagtataka siguro kayo kung bakit nag-voiceover ako ngayon instead of me talking to that video. The thing is, nasira po yung microphone ko during this time that we were traveling and hindi namin na-check, so hindi namin natanggal yung external microphone. But here we are still at Jasper, and you will see a lot of videos na magvo-voiceover ako, guys. Kaya rin tatagalan yung pag-upload ko ng mga videos na to is dahil hindi ko na alam kung paano ko i-edit. So, look at that. Parang Santa Naning. Ang dami yan sinabi dyan. Tawang-tawa kami sa kanya dyan kasi lagi niyang pinagpipilitan na mag-outfit check siya. But, yun nga, wala talagang nangyari sa audio natin. So, most of the video clips that you will see will be like a montage na lang. And then, kung may sound man sa iba is from other cameras na nagamit namin. Pero yung main camera talaga, guys, wala talagang naging sound. So, ayun, pagtiisan nyo muna kung paano ko to i-edit tong mga vlogs namin.
You're so irreplaceable, and everybody knows I want you, but I've always been so invisible.
On our way to trek to the edge of the world. Tingnan mo naman tong kasama namin. Mag-uopisina ata. Puro kami wrong outfit ngayon, sis. At ito naman si sir. Ang ganda na po sana ng view, pero kain naman ng kain. May dala-dala na namang merienda. Laging gutom.
I wanna turn my phone off, but that's where all my friends are. What do? Why is it so hard to find someone new so far away? All the days that I used to have someone right beside me, now I can find in my phone screen. It's tiring, just wanna feel something. Lonely nights talking the pixels. I don't go out, don't intermix with the crowd, and I
Hirap. Buti na lang di ako nag-coat.
no, I just want a connection. Is that so?
Are you guys at the end of the world already?
Yeah, we're already here. We're just slow. Also, by the way, I almost died because of Lolo.
Did you die though?
It's beautiful, but not worth it.
I think there's someone who is asking for help. Bakit dati hiker nga natin dito?
Ibon?
Oo, ibon.
Parang dito yung banda eh. Ibon lang.
Bulik.
Like anybody here, so why do I care? I tell myself that I just need to have someone right beside me, or else I'm nothing. But for me, I'd rather be alone than with some people that I don't know. Midnight's talking the pixels. I don't go out, don't intermix with the crowd, and I wonder why I'm sitting all alone, staring at my phone. Or I just want a connection. Is that so?
Muulatan ang naadalo mo. Kahapon nung nag-snowboots ako, walang snow.
Connection, is that so hard to ask for? I just want
Dapat pag umuwi tayo, mag-mount kulag na tayo. Bali na. Kasi Martam. Nandito ako. Kay mo Mountain Dew.
text messages on repeat, start to lose all feeling. Where are the people for me?
Are you in the car already?
Maganda pag dito kay banda. Medyo ipapamata ko ang basinega, maganda tapuksitan.
Kinikilig si Kuya ko.
I everything.
There's a world where we don't end up
For 138 miles, continue straight on.
lose my mind. And if this life really does go on forever, I know I choose you every time. You say you're the only one for me.
Hey guys! So, before going to Lake Louise, napadaan kami dito sa Statfield Glacier Lookout. Iyan ang tawag. Grabe. Napakaganda ng place, guys. Parang naghanap lang kami ng pwedeng mapagstopan. Tapos, ito yung nakita namin. Hindi ko alam na may ganito pala talaga dito. Pero, hindi kasi talaga ako nag-research para sa trip namin na to. At syempre, ito na naman po, picture na naman po. Ang buong pamilya, ang nanay at tatay ko, nangunguna po. Feeling ata nila. Sila ang bida sa vlog na ito. No? Tapos, ito naman po ang mga magkakapatid na picture din ng picture, pa-airdrop ng pa-airdrop. Pero wala namang nangyayari. Walang nag-a-upload. Lahat na lang for keeps. Ano ba? Share naman daw ang trip. But this photo, I think, upload ko siya sa Instagram ko. If you don't follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is JoyOfMia. Sobrang ganda talaga ng place na to. Parang hindi pwedeng picture or video lang yung mag-describe sa place na to. If I were you, if you have the time, the chance, go visit places like this kasi sobrang napaka-magical talaga. And I suggest you go there like springtime or wintertime kasi for me, mas maganda siya kasi parang napaka-magical niya compared to summertime.
We used to have each other's playlists. No. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic. But who cares? You said that we're
Hey everyone! Nandito na naman po kami sa Lake Louise. Last time that I was here, it was fall. Now, spring season naman. So, makikita nyo, madami pa ring mga yelo sa gilid ng parking area. And of course, yung daanan, may mga ice pa din. And makikita nyo later kung ano yung sitwasyon dun sa mismong lake.
Been up for way too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side.
Nandyan yung manghihingi ng panggas. Whoever drives the car pays for the gas. Nakipagpalitan ka. Tapos ngayon,
Pagkagasolina nyo na.
2 kilometers drive. Ito may isang pinanser.
Could be my solace. Only my talk 날 위로해. 내 심장이 막 두근두근 터질 것 같아. 눈이 마주칠 때면 미쳐가. 매일 밤 가슴이 터질 때다. 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래. 네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는 나. I just wanna make you mine until the end. My summertime.
We are in our room.
This is not the room. This is
Ang ganda ng ano nila, my loft. Ours is just single. So, we just got here. Merong kitchen and then dining area. Oh, may fireplace pa sila. Sorry, gulo-gulo na talaga. Yours is way better than ours.
You can see what the whole mountain is.
Yeah.
Also, Tita, look, there's the pool.
Yeah, the pool is over there.
Can we go there?
It's up until 9 p.m.
Can we go?
I think you can still go.
Can we now?
Tell your mommy. Papunta tayo sa loft. There you go. This is their room. Oh, may skylight sila. Hi, everyone!
Mommy, can I go to the pool with Tita?
Oh, ang nice ng room ninyo ah. Meron pa kayong loft. Why it's so expensive?
It's like one of those rich hotels.
No, it's not.
Can I go to the pool with you?
Tell your mom.
I told her and she said, well, Tita's upstairs. Go ask her.
Well, I'm not gonna go with you, so you don't need to ask me. I'm busy.
Silas!
Hi, guys. It is day 3.
No, day 2.
Oh, day 2. They're playing Bruno. I want to play with them. But, you want me to show what I did to the fridge?
You wanna show what you did?
We did the hot dogs, noodles, grapes, rice, chicken.
Why are the noodles in there?
Oh, because there's no room here. Look, all of it's full.
Well, you don't need a lot of... You don't need the noodles to be in the fridge.
Because I'm not it. Fine, man.
Fine, man. Okay.
I needed to prove my new
Ano
ball.
kayo lang mga kita barahayo? Dapat nakaganito lang siya. Oh. Babes, your card, you show it.
Show your card!
Hoy!
Yan, pag ganyan, kahit anong kulay pipiliin niya.
Parehas?
Hindi. May plus 4. Sabi natin kung may ganito rin ako, plus 8 ka.
Na, mag-sweetie ka.
Be nice.
Yellow!
I hate you.
Yellow!
I hate you.
Yellow! Yellow!
I hate you. I was so close to winning.
Ngayong ganito,
I was so close to winning until he told
Ay, kaya
yellow.
naman tanong madam.
Go.
Let's go! Let's go! Ang
Sinira mo ang pagkapanalo ko.
Una na ba, Joya? 9, 6.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you? Tito Man, I don't love you anymore. I don't love you anymore, Tito Man.
Finally po, nahanap na po nila kung nasaan ang bed. Tanggalin mo muna yung upuan dun, brother. Hindi pa rin magkakasya. Tada! Nahanap din nila ang bed. Wow, ang ganda. Mas maganda yung sa kanila, mahal. Oh, andun na yung unan.
Bika na kayo ta, isa sa lakot.
Sasabihin na, Mamang! Agyaw! Ay, andyan! Andyan, dyan kay kukulong princess.
Nandiyan pala yung mga unan eh.
Andyan pala eh. Diyan. Uy, maganda tong ano natin na. Dapat ito ulit yung i-book natin next time.
Hey everyone, thank you at narating nyo na naman po ang part ng ating vlog na magsha-shoutout ako and magsha-shoutout lang po ako sa mga nag-comment sa aking vlog na how much pocket money do you need for USA? Shoutout kay Lady Jean Velonza, kay Queen, kay Nutribon Channel, kay Maureen, shoutout din kay Maricorp Pating, Andrea Balili, Maria Jennifer Elpedes, and then shoutout din kay Frederick Fernandez na laging nanonood ng ating vlog. Thank you so much. And then shoutout din kay Tuella Fam, and then kay Mark Genesis, ang aking brother na meron pang pa-comment kung ano daw ang dapat kong i-content sa aking vlog. Shoutout din kay Ma'am Shihar RN. Shoutout din kay Mami Jen, Papi Dog, kay Brencelo Valodil. Shoutout din kay Rainiel Alavante, kay Don Nixon, and then kay Daisy Ray. Shoutout din kay RJMC, Ronnie Caberto na lagi ding nanonood sa atin, and then kay Marmen Blaquera, and kay Rina De La Cruz, Travel Buddies KSA, Ibrahim Hailil, I am Judy, Yanix Opo Palermo, and then kay K Entertainment, and kay Zarina. Salamat everyone for watching our vlog, and sana hindi kayo nagsisawang sumuporta sa amin kahit nitong mga nakaraang linggo ay hindi po ako masyadong nakakapag-upload, but you will know soon kung bakit. Medyo talagang busy ang life. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe, and if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is JoyOfMia, and there will be more vlogs coming soon. So abang-abang lang po kayo. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!
If we could